What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to get a girl's number without even saying a word.
No, who are you? Here.
You think?
Villain?
I don't know. Should I?
No, just make it a fake number.
Fake number, real number?
Surprise them.
I don't know if you're very worthy of this. I should give you like my mom's phone number.
What a Teresa's mother. Will you please call us afterwards? Just give me your mom's number.
Hello?
Hello?
I thought you were gonna give me your mom's number. Wow. Well, thank you.
No problem.
I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Do you want like?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi. Put your number in my phone. Please. Do you have speed? No? Why? Just put it in. Alright, so please. Wait, for what though? For you to call me? Wait, what? No. I have to?
Okay. But I'm not American, so maybe Facebook?
Excuse me? I don't... Ugh. Okay. Okay. All right. I mean, it's pretty dang cute. In a silly way. Go for it.
Thank you. Alright guys, if you don't believe me it works that easy, go get yours today and try it on your own. The link is in the description below.